Santa Cruz County leaders say a $13 million community block grant from the state will improve aging flood walls, roads, and drains that put Pajaro Valley at risk of major flooding.
It's a grant program where it's focused on disaster relief. And so the urgent need for disaster relief was right here in South County.
The funding will go to three major projects: flood repairs to Paulson Road in Watsonville, add repairs to the flood wall along the Pajaro River, and a culvert replacement program countywide.
I'm really excited about the culvert repairs because, a lot of our culverts lead to flooding and different issues within our roads.
At the confluence of the Pajaro River and the Salsapuedes Creek, the new flood walls are expected to provide a 25-year storm protection, while existing levees will be upgraded to meet 100-year flood standards for Watsonville.
This creek sources its rain from the Santa Cruz Mountains, and it basically flirts with flood stage at least once every year. So it's very quickly responding to rain. It usually gets a lot of rain up in the mountains. It comes right down here, and so this is a very flood-prone spot.
The biggest project out of the three will be repairs to Paulson Road near Interlochen, a road the county needs to close often due to spillover.
It's going to be a permanent solution that elevates the road about 8 feet, still allows the water to go through.
County leaders say these repairs were needed decades ago and are vital to preventing another disaster like the 2023 Pajaro flood.
This project was authorized by Congress in 1966. So this is a legacy project that is needed to happen for a very long time.
Supervisor Hernandez says we could expect construction to start around May or June of this year, after the rainy season is behind us. Live in Watsonville, I'm Michael Rosales. Dan Aaron, back to you in the studio.
Michael, thank you.